Genesis Digital Key 2 allows drivers to unlock, lock, and start their car using a compatible smartphone device. Genesis Digital Key 2 is compatible with most near-field communication, or NFC, enabled smartphone devices. For more information and to see a list of compatible devices, visit owners.genesis.com and click Resources. No login is required to access the Resources page. Genesis Digital Key 2 is part of the Genesis Intelligent Assistant mobile app and can only be set up through the use of the app. For more information about setting up Digital Key 2, be sure to watch our video here. After setting up Digital Key 2, the feature will be ready for immediate use. If your smartphone device only supports NFC, Digital Key 2 allows you to unlock and lock your doors by holding your smartphone near the door handle. But if your mobile device supports ultra-wideband and Bluetooth Low Energy, Genesis Digital Key 2 allows hands-free unlocking by simply approaching your Genesis. The vehicle can then also be started without the use of a key fob, simply by placing your smartphone device on the wireless charging pad inside your Genesis vehicle. It is also possible to share your digital key via your phone wallet with up to 3 friends or family members. Shared keys can have unique permission levels as well, allowing you to control whether another user can only unlock and lock doors or can also drive your Genesis. You can revoke access to a shared card at any time by opening the shared wallet, locate the key you'd like to remove, and then press Stop Sharing. To remove all digital keys, including shared key, press Setup, Vehicle, Digital Key, Smartphone Key, and then select Delete All. We recommend using the Genesis Intelligent Assistant app to easily send remote commands. From your smartphone, you can lock or unlock doors, locate your vehicle, monitor fuel level, and much more. For more helpful information on your Genesis, be sure to explore the how-to guides on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult owners.genesis.com and your owner's manual.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the Genesis USA YouTube channel for more great videos, and visit genesis.com for more info.